Hi everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you stuff that I'm taking to Silverstone with me. Kind of a what's in my bag kind of dealy. But yeah, I go not tomorrow, the day after, but I'm working tomorrow, so I thought I would pack most of the stuff that I need today so that I'm good to go on Friday. I just got my nails done for Silverstone. So I got Lando's helmet, his logo, checkered flag, and the McLaren logo on here. So pretty. Love it. And anyway, firstly, I'm going to be taking this because I feel like having like your purse around you is going to be a lot easier than having to rummage around in my bag. So I'm going to take this along with me. This is a, you're going to guess what team I support soon. Toomey McLaren pouch thing, and inside here I have my purse, which I'm going to be taking, my Vivienne Westwood. In here I have just things that I think I'll need. My card, my driver's license, my access card, and my other bank card, just in case. So I got those. And then I've got a little bit of money, not much. I'm going to get some more tomorrow while I'm at work. I've got 15 quid in here. So yeah, we'll probably get some more tomorrow. So that's that. And that's what's going to go in there. I might put my phone battery pack in here as well. Depends on if I've got enough room. So that's that. Then we move on to... this is heavy already and I've not got half the stuff in it that I need. This is the McLaren Toomey. I'm obsessed with McLaren and Toomey. I can't even remember what this bag is called, but yeah, it's here. I've got my little Lando keychain on here. I made this, I designed this, and it's on Etsy, so go and have a look if you want to buy one. First things first, I will be taking my Lando Norris Grandstand Collection water bottle because it's big and if I sip it throughout the day it'll come in very handy. I am going to be taking my McLaren bucket hat because if it's sunny / raining that is going to come in handy. I have a McLaren branded tote bag because you know those times when you go to a shop and they go, here's your item, and you're like, can I have a bag? We don't have bags. I don't mind paying for a bag. We don't have bags. So you're like, okay, whatever. So I thought I'd take a bag with me. Then we have my McLaren rain mat. This is good because it is literally super thin and yeah, just nice. Then I have my makeup. This is what I take to work, so this is just what's in here for now. I got a little Traveler, which has got, what's it got in it? Devotion by D&G at the minute. I got, in my last video I told you about this concealer, this powder, sorry. Yeah, it's in my makeup thing. I got a Beauty Bakery lip gloss. My favourite lipstick of all time, this is an Armani one, and it is Lip Power 104. Don't know what it is, but it's literally my favourite. Everything else doesn't really matter that much, but let me show you this lipstick. Because this lipstick is just insane. I'm getting attacked by my own bag. Move over there. So this lipstick, that's how much I've got left of it, but this lipstick is by far my favourite lipstick of all time. It's like the first lipstick where I've used like all of it. Look at how far down I've got of that. Ugh, I'm gonna have to buy another one and they're so expensive. I got that free with a bottle of Sea perfume, so that's why I've got that one. But I will have to buy it again, I think. I have my McLaren Sun God sunglasses. I am just head to toe in McLaren. These are the ones that I generally wear you see me do videos on all the McLaren sun gods, but these are the ones that I do wear most of all. Then these two, which I think I'm going to leave one of them in the car. Power bank. This one's a 10,000 milliamp hour. This one's a 20. So I think I'm going to take this one into Silverstone with me, and then I'll leave this in the car in case I need it, like, coming home. So, yeah, 2 power banks. I've got another shopping bag. This is an iron yokai one. And then in here, I've got 2 ponchos. This is a black one and a blue one. So I'm going to come to rescue if it starts raining. Just my luck, I will have bought these and it won't rain. But I'd rather have them than not have them, if you know what I mean. And then I have an array of drugs. An array of painkillers, because, you know, they look like other things but they're not. Yeah, painkillers, the Nurofen melts, and then I've got some Solpadeine plus soluble, and then the Panadol extra. So I just chucked those in there because, yeah, I can't swallow tablets like normal people because autism. And yeah, it's an actual thing to do with autism. So yeah, I always thought it was just weird that I couldn't swallow tablets, but it's a texture thing. And yeah, anyway. So yeah, that is everything that I'm going to be taking to, well, not everything, because I'm going to have to narrow this down a little bit, I think, because I'm taking quite a lot and it is quite heavy. But I think most of it is the power banks, because the power banks are so heavy. So yeah, I'm going to take the power banks out, see how I feel. So yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.